Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You need admin access and a quick backup now, so pause and record current DNS entries. Once done, open your router or device network panel and locate DNS fields. Replace primary and secondary addresses with Adguard DNS IPs. I told you, don't save yet. Make sure DHCP lease times won't immediately overwrite. If necessary, set static DNS for one device first. This first step establishes the path for filtering and blocks before you move to broader network enforcement. Now enforce Adguard DNS across your network by configuring DHCP options or a DNS override on the router. Once applied, flush DNS caches on each client or reboot them so no old entries remain. After that, use dig or enslookup from a laptop or phone to query known domains and confirm the response comes from Adguard IPs. If you run Adguard home locally, point the router to that host. Otherwise, ensure no secondary upstream DNS bypasses your setting. Finish by monitoring DNS queries briefly to ensure expected blocking and no unexpected breakage. Make sure router admin is secured and remote management disabled, then document the change so you can revert if needed. If some devices still bypass Adguard, inspect for VPNs, custom network adapters, or ISP DNS hijacking. Force a cache flush and retest. If problems persist, temporarily set a client to use Adguard directly to isolate whether the router or device is the source of the issue.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.